Is your team spending too much time putting out fires, monitoring, managing and patching your IT infrastructure, dealing with outages, security and staffing issues? Would you like to sleep at night and have time during the day to work on higher value projects that will help your business grow and thrive? Maybe you feel like it's not possible given only 24 hours in a day, but it is with iVision's managed services offering. Our Engineering and Support Services, ESS, is engineers supporting engineers. Our team will become an extension of your team, allowing you to focus on the business-critical projects, while our team focuses on the operational items like monitoring, managing and patching your data center, cloud infrastructure, network, devices, applications, and security. Our ESS team is 24/7, 365, based out of Atlanta. While we are local to Atlanta, we have a global reach, supporting clients all over the world. iVision Managed Services is flexible and customizable, molding to the needs of your business. We can provide the right expertise, people, technology, and processes to guide you through a smooth transition to a public, private, or hybrid cloud environment, as well as design, implement, and manage your business continuity and disaster recovery plans. Though it may feel almost entirely hands-off, you will be kept routinely informed about the health of your infrastructure with monthly comprehensive meetings and status reports. iVision truly cares about the success of our clients. We work hard understanding your business to help you grow and thrive in today's digital world. Let iVision put out your fires and take care of your IT environment while you get back to those business-critical projects and get some sleep.